Welcome to my review of the 2020 iMac. Before we get started, I wanted to ask you to please click the like and subscribe buttons below, as it really does help out the channel. Now, without further ado, let's get into this review. The model I have selected is the hex-core i5 variant with the 1TB Fusion drive and 8GB of DDR4 RAM. It is by no means a workstation, but it is an absolute delight for its intended use of day-to-day tasks such as email and word processing. The design is minimalistic and its UI is incredibly responsive. It just feels fast and has all the great qualities one would expect in a modern-day personal computer from Apple. We can run benchmarks like a Cinebench run, and it comes out pretty much in the middle. Like, you're going to be rendering the next blockbuster movie on it, but for light gaming and 3D modeling you should have no issues, assuming your apps support it. The model wasn't kitted out with the mainstream 16GB of RAM. However, unless you're really pushing it, you shouldn't have any issues, especially with macOS's incredible optimization. It even felt rather responsive when using the file manager, considering the mechanical storage. Overall, this machine is a great buy for the family computer. It's fast and snappy at day-to-day tasks and should be more than enough for late workstation or gaming use. If you're the type of person who needs more than that, this may not be the computer for you. But for everyone else, this is a great purchase, especially if you take advantage of the current Costco deal, which gives you an extra 2 years of protection and a $200 discount. You do have to keep in mind the long-term support path, with Apple now announcing the beginning of their transition to ARM processors. However, as it looks now, I wouldn't expect you to have any issues. Just wanted to make sure you all are informed. Thank you for watching, and please feel free to support this channel by liking and subscribing.